Welcome back to the Enfield 8000. This steering boot has seen better days and is leaking oil, so we need to replace it. We need to undo these two tie rod ends, and I think we need to probably drop the rack using these bolts here, and there'll be an internal connection. Need to take the tie, the rack mounts off, so they're just not M13 nylocks. They're metrics, which is rather surprising, and all we've done is clean the thread so that they'll come off a little easier. Next, the track rod ends turn out to be a 19mm, but come undone quite easily, so we can remove those. Bottom of the steering rack also needs to be taken out. It's a little bit awkward in access, but that bolt's got to be taken out to allow the rack to be released. Two 13mm bolts. So here's the rack out. We're going to just briefly wire brush this. I'm not going to disturb this one. We're going to take this end cover off. I've lost the circlip there, and then the new boat slides over from this end. We're going to fill it with oil, put the boot back on, and then put it back under the car.
Don't worry about the sound, because I can always... So we have to get this end off. Don't come a bit closer. No, that's right. Can't really see anything, you know. Doesn't matter. I'm close enough. Let's see. Need to get that over there, really. You see the problem with the old one. Go come down, yeah, a bit more. If we come across like that, it's not easy, should we do? I think that must be the original, don't you? Must be, yeah.
Do you know what? Got a far easier way of doing it. If in doubt, cut it with a pair of scissors. Well, we've got a new one, so it doesn't matter. Bit of surgicals. There we go. Lovely. Right, so that's scrap. Right, so there you go, that's the rack. So we just need to clean that and then pop the new one on. We have a brand new steering boot on here, but unfortunately it's leaking just here. Only a little tiny pinhole, but the whole thing's got to come off and be changed. So here is the new steering boot in some very hot water, so it gets nice and subtle. Now we've got to stretch it over the rack. Gosh, that was easy. Easier than taking it off anyway. Just got to top it up with oil. So it needs about half a pint, so I'm putting in about 250 ml. So I'm going to pour that into the track rod end mounting holes.
I said to the fellow, I said to the fellow, I suppose you could always say it's not water, so yes, a lot better. Well, not yet. No, because I'm filming. And if I film, it picks it up. And then it's not appropriate or something. No, you're right there with that one, I think. Eh? Yes, it sounds. No, you're fine.
So here we have the fitted boot. We have new UNF nylocks on the mounts. We've completed the tab washers on the track rod ends and no leaks. Do look out for more videos. Please like and subscribe.